financially independent, which I think is a very important thing nowadays. Women are getting freedom to think what they want to do, but I think they'll be able to do that only when they'll be financially independent. So financial independence is really a need of an hour. And Tata AIA, I would like to request all the beautiful Sakhis to give a big round of applause to Tata AIA and team, because they are here to support the wonderful cause, which is women empowerment. Women empowerment bolne mein to it's like everybody speaks about women empowerment, but for me, women empowerment is like when women is free to think, to do, and to even imagine what they want to do or they want to pursue. So Tata AIA is here to give wings to us, to give wings to our dreams. So I would like to call upon and honor the wonderful men who are there from Tata AIA and supporting all the women. So I would like to call my volunteers to please bring the trophies. Let's felicitate our wonderful women, wonderful men who are going to support this wonderful cause. And I would start with Mr. Kailash Pati Singh ji. He is the director of agency Tata AIA. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies? Because even women should support men. If the biggest round of applause to them would motivate them as well, because even men needs motivation, though they don't say it, but everybody needs motivation. So a big round of applause to Mr. Kailash Pati Singh ji, director of agency. Call Mr. Surojit Datta, Senior Manager, Cluster Head. Ladies, I know you all are waiting since long, but आपकी तालियों से yeah, so we have to, if you want to hear, if you want others to clap for you, even we have to clap for others. So it's जितना ज़ोर की तालियां आप चाहते हो कि जब आपका नाम अनाउंस हो आपको मिले, उतनी ही ज़ोर की तालियां हम क्यों ना दूसरों को भी मोटिवेट करने के लिए बजाएं. सो वी हैव सुरोजीत दत्ता जी. थैंक यू सर. And now quickly, I would like to call Mr. Devraj Roy Chaudhary ji. He is Regional Head Development Manager. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so very much.
And now, Mr. Gautam Palji, he is the branch manager Tata AIA, and Mr. Subhashish Mandalji, who is a partner of Tata AIA. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. And now last but not the least, we have Mr. Ajay Datta, and he is Senior Business Associate Tata AIA. Kolkata. And here we are. I'm Anamika Singh, founder of Sakhi Sangh, host of the evening and the organizer of Women of Influence, founder of Sakhi Sangh. So I think we should start because we are already running late. We'll wait for the Shanti ma'am. Once she'll be coming, she'll join us. So I would like to start with a short quote which suits my journey of Sakhi Sangh. So it goes like, हम अकेले ही चले थे जानिबे मंजिल मगर हम अकेले ही चले थे जानिबे मंजिल, मगर लोग आते गए और कारवा बनता गया। तो यही मेरा खूबसूरत सखियों का कारवा है, जो मैंने यूपी से शुरू किया था और अब कोलकाता और अदर स्टेट्स से होते हुए हम दुबई तक पहुंच गए हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल द ब्यूटीफुल सखीज़ हु सपोर्ट सखी संघ, हु सपोर्ट्स मी, and here we are to promote each other and to felicitate our women of influence from different fields and from different walks of life. So can we have a big round of applause for ourselves? And now I would like to start with the guest of honor. We'll be waiting for the chief guest. Once she'll arrive, we'll felicitate her. But before that, I would like to call to the biggest motivator, biggest supporter, and he's the biggest socialite of Kolkata, our guest of honor today, Indranil Mukherjee. तालियों की आवाज़ में मज़ा नहीं आ रहा यार, स्नैक्स खाए हैं ना आप लोगों ने? Thank you so much for being there for Sakhi Sangh.
Thank you.
Okay, so I would like to take this pleasure to present this. Thank you. And now there are few more gifts for you. So I would like to call our gift partners. First, Vishal ji from Mia by Tanishq Kankurgachi. So that's a small token of love from Mia by Tanishq. No, the gift. And quickly, I would like to call other partners, Uzma from Style Addict and Lara Grand from Lush Fragrance. So you all know आप लोगों के products क्या है, तो quickly please grab it and hand it over to Indranil ji. That's for the that's for the chief. Yeah. No, that's for chief. I just want to have Richa ma'am with us for a picture.
Guys, clap. The diva is here.
Yeah. I mean, since 11 years, she's rocking the town and everyone, like she's there acting in Bollywood, and she won her title 11 years back. और अभी तक वो जलवा कायम है. So वो हमारे शहर को ही नहीं, हम लोगों को भी represent करता है. She is our Sakhi. So give a big round of applause for Richa ma'am. And she is a sweetheart. I mean, you just want any help for anything and she'll be there. So I would like to call, say Vishalji to please hand over token of love from your end when she's on stage. You have also something for Richa, please.
Yeah.
The Style Addict. And Lara, please. So here's a gift, a token of love from Lush Fragrance by Lara Grand. And our sweethearts, Style Addict is everywhere.
I have so many.
Yeah.
हम ही लोग exhibition लगा सकते हैं now. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. We'll just have a picture, please, Lara. Vishal ji, please join us.
फोन में ले लो एक सीधा देखिए.
all the diamonds of the cities are here. मुझे लगता है कि कोलकाता शहर में अंधेरा छा गया होगा, क्योंकि हर सोसाइटी की जो स्पार्कलिंग लाइट है, डायमंड्स है, वो आज सब ओजोरा में आ गए हैं और सखी संघ के इस कार्यक्रम को रोशन कर रहे हैं. सो वी विल लाइक टू start the award function, and we'll quickly have a look for all the awardees. Can we have that video, please? ये सारा आधा रखो. The support of all the partners. We have Mia by Tanish Kankurgachi, we have Super News 24, we have Aryan Designers, Shri 360 Degree, Lakme Academy, Razbihari, Nagir Bazaar, we have Eat Green by Ruby, we have SHM Watches, we have Style Addict, SSS by Divya Goenka, Women Times, and we have Rizwan Ansari ji's NGO, we have Lush by Lara Grand, Lush Fragrance. Then we have Silver Stage, our photography partner. And then Evo Connect, that our networking partner. Sneha Makeup Brides. We have Maki Rasoi, they really serve wonderful food, homemade food. And we have Mehak's Creation. So, and of course Tata AIA, they were our co-partner for the event. So I'll start with the award show. I would like to call Indranil Ji again to felicitate the awardees. So we have 30 awardees, and we have 3 categories, as you all know when you nominated yourselves. We have role models of the society, and then we have influencers who are really doing well. I think आज का ज़माना जो है वो influencers का ज़माना है. They are everywhere. And after that, we have entrepreneurs and housewives. So just pay attention, ladies. You will not get to hear about this everywhere. This is the only platform where housewives are getting felicitated. And we are keep doing this. We are doing it since 7 years. So we even organize Heroic Housewife pageant. It's a kind of talent hunt. So I would like to take that pride or honor. It's a matter of pride for us that Sakhi Sangh does that. Only I think I don't have even heard about it in India, that there's any talent hunt or pageant for housewives. So now, यार आप जो भी अवॉर्डीज़ हैं, अगर आपको चाहिए कि आपके नाम पे ज़ोरदार तालियां हो तो दूसरे को भी वैसे ही सपोर्ट करें. वैसे ही लेडीज़ बदनाम हैं कि भाई एक दूसरे से जलते हैं, एंड वी कीप पुलिंग लेग्स डाउन. सो आज ओज़ोरा और ये इवेंट इस बात को साबित कर दे कि हम कितना और किस हद तक सखीज़ को प्रमोट कर सकते हैं। तो अब मैं दोबारा नहीं बोलूँगी कि आपको तालियां कैसे बजानी है या कैसे मोटिवेट करना है। सो कैन वी हैव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल द सखीज़ आउट हियर। सो आई विल स्टार्ट विद द रोल मॉडल and Women of Influence Awards 24 role model. We'll start with Richa Sharma. Yeah, so I would like to have if you could tell your title and everything, why you are getting it.
Well, I'm getting because I think that I'm a human being and I tried my best to come where I am today. But thank you so much, Anamika. And I think you all know that I had won this title, Mrs. Universe India. And then I started my acting journey from 2014. So here I am in front of all of you. And this recognition definitely motivates me even more to do better and better. Thank you once again. And thank you, Neeli, for introducing me to Anamika. And I think wonderful initiative, because together we make a difference. So let's take a pledge today that we will uplift each other. And as Anamika said that yes, that only thing what we can do, that just a word of appreciation, actually that matters a lot. Thank you and have a good evening. And congratulations to all the awardees.
And this is homemade. You can use as belt.
Thank you.
So I have a small request. I want Neeli to say few lines for me.
Well, there's nothing much I can tell about Richa. She's one person who's always there to help people in any category and any way that she can. Like there are people who just say that, oh, we'll help you out or we'll support you in some way. But Richa actually is a lady of, action. It's just not words. She actually goes out of her way. And I think you all should give her a really big round of applause to her.
And you have been, like Neeli actually has been there, in my journey, like from the very, very beginning. So thank you once again, Neeli, for being there with me. And thank you, Anamika. And we'll go places together.
Yeah, thank you. So quickly, I would like to call our the role model Women of Influence Award goes to Dr. Biva Samadar. लेडीज तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए.
Thank you.
And I would like to ask you to tell your journey. And she is a Lieutenant National Cadet Corps officer, and we are really proud to have her because इनके आने से हमारे awards की शोभा बढ़ रही है.
Thank you, Anamika. Thank you, Grand Queens, ladies also, who are supporting always throughout the year. And Sakhi Sangh, Sakhi Sangh is a platform where they are recognizing not only women who have contributed a lot to the society, but also the unsung heroines. Who, from the boardroom to the living room, every woman whose contribution to the society, it's not only outside, but inside the household also. And when you recognize a lady, when you recognize a woman, that means it's not her individual achievement. It's a achievement, it's a contribution, it's a together effort, it's a contribution by everyone who are behind the scenes, like Anamika. I know how many times I call her and talk to her regarding this. She's arranging it solely with the support of few ladies, but a big congratulations to her. And let's embrace an environment where we support each other, where we uplift each other, and create an environment where the women are there in every field. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Thank you, Neil.
Yeah. So our chief guest of the evening is here. So I would like to call Shanti ma'am. Oh, ma'am, please have a water. Please have water. Yeah. Yeah. Sakhi Sangh. And to introduce her, she is Additional Superintendent of Police West Bengal from Human Rights Commission. So big round of applause, and we are really proud to have you here, ma'am, today. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to quickly call our partners, Vishalji from Miabai Tanish Kankurgachi, Lara, and okay. Lara, and then we have Uzma, all the partners, and Mehak's creation, say Mehak Joshi ji, to please provide the hamper, the beautiful hamper which is handmade. So ladies, can you see this? Because that's our work. Sakhi Sangh is all about promoting Sakhis and sustainability. So it's a very nice, sustainable hamper, gift hamper, which is handmade by our Sakhi Mehak creation. So whenever you need her, expertise, she's here. Ma'am, this is handmade. It's so beautiful. I wish you could bring something for me as well.
Definitely next time. Really beautiful.
Thank you. I just want to get it now.
Someone can. I will.
I would also like to call one of my Sakhi. Again, her name is also Mehak, and she is behind the beautiful, trophies which will be handed over to you. They are also, curated by us. Design मैंने suggest किया है, and she has curated. So please be here for the picture with ma'am.
Thank you.
We want you to felicitate all the bodies.
Huh?
Yeah, to say a few words, and then you have to be here to felicitate the bodies.
Good evening, everyone. It's a really beautiful evening. And I can see some lovely people very near and dear to my heart here. One of them is Richa. And Neeli is also there. Neeli is not only a very beautiful person, but he has helped me many times. Neeli, really thanks to you. And thank you, Anamika, for this is a gift for me. This is a lovely evening you have gifted me. So thank you. And Wasim, I know you are there. So Wasim is also there. He's doing many social works, and especially today's evening is dedicated to women. So I have always worked for during my 14 years of my career. I have worked for especially for women, because a lady officer in this department at that time when I joined in the year 2009, there were only 5 senior lady officers in this department. So to understand a woman, I think a woman can better understand another woman. So the requirement at that time was that only lady officer will speak and understand the problem very empathetically. So I'm grateful to my department that apart from my crime works, I do love crime work, so I cannot leave it. So apart from my crime work, they have always assigned me to work for the welfare of women and children. And I love that I work for woman, because I know woman has got a special capability, influence, Woman of Influence Awards. Yes, it's right. A woman has the power to change the society. She can influence the society and change the perspective of a society, because when a child is born, he or she spends maximum of his or her time with the mother. So the mother has the capability to change her thought process. If we call of equality between a boy and a girl, then I think she is the one who can change the perspective of the child. So it's very important. Women play a very important role. They have definitely got some extra capabilities. I'm not a feminist, so I know the support of men is equally important, because without them, we cannot do anything. So, but I would always like she has taken a great step that she has organized this program, and Women of Influence Awards, I wish them a very success. Thank you, Anamika.
Ma'am, you have to stay here. Ma'am, you have social activist, social worker, and she's quite close, what should I say? She is working for single mothers. Wow. And even for the defense. And Sakhi Sangh also organizes Matra Shakti Awards for single mothers and grandmothers. Again, a unique thing which we do. So I would like to, take the opportunity to ask her something related to single mothers and single females, because I know this is so struggling to organize something and to even support them. So what, just a quick, because we are running late, but I want you to please share your experience.
पहले तो नमस्ते सबको, क्योंकि मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी, मैं एक भारतवासी हूँ। तो सबसे पहले सबको नमस्कार और आदाब सब कुछ। सिंगल मदर बोला आपने, सिंगल वुमेन होना भी बहुत कठिन है, लेकिन आपकी जो संस्था का नाम है सखी, वो कृष्ण भगवान का दिया हुआ सखा है। तो हम सखा को जोड़ते हैं जब, तो सखी बनता है। तो सखी माने हम खुद की सखी बनेंगे, तब अकेले इस दुनिया से जीत पाएंगे। और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा ये नाम कि मैं सोच रही थी मैं खुद की सखी हूँ। जब मैं सिंगल हुई तब मैं सखी नहीं बन पाई थी कुछ सालों तक। आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते मैं सखी बनी हूँ, और लोगों को बोलूँगी ये कि सखी बनो खुद के लिए। क्योंकि जैसे इन्होंने कहा, मैडम ने, कि क्राइम से इनको प्यार है, वैसे हमें सखियों से प्यार है। उन सखियों से जिनका कोई नहीं है, जिनको कोई पूछता नहीं है। कपड़ों से दुनिया बहुत आगे निकल चुकी है, लेकिन सोच अभी भी वही है। रात को 12 बजे आप क्यों आ रहे हो? पड़ोस में पूछा जाएगा आपसे। आपके बच्चे नहीं चला गया, फिर आप कैसे अकेले रह रहे हो? आपसे पूछा जाएगा। तो सखी बनकर हमको जीना है और उनको जवाब देना है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं और हम क्यों जवाब दे बने। आज हम क्यों सबको इतना उत्तर दें? मर्द नहीं देता है, औरत क्यों दे? हाँ, तो वही हम बदल रहे हैं। इसीलिए जो उन्होंने बोला खुद की सखी बनना है, इसलिए बदल रहे हैं। और दुनिया की परवाह किए बिना, जैसे हम स्विमिंग पूल में जाते हैं, पानी को फेंकते हैं, इसलिए हम बातों को फेंक के आगे जाना चाहते हैं। सबसे पहला प्रोग्राम मैंने किया था, इंद्रनील सर शायद याद होगा आपको, ग्लैमर में आप थे वहाँ पर पायल जी के साथ। तो नमस्कार आपको, बहुत साल बाद आपसे मिलना हुआ, और थैंक यू। मुझे इस प्लेटफॉर्म में आज बहुत अच्छा लगा, और मुझे ये 2 शब्द बोलने के लिए मौका मिला। तो मैं चाहूँगी जितनी भी सिंगल मदर या वुमेन, सिंगल कभी नहीं होती है, वो खुद की सखी होती है और वो जीना जानती है। एक औरत झांसी की रानी भी बन सकती है, इंदिरा गांधी भी बन सकती है, तो अपने घर की रानी भी बन सकती है। दिस इज़ द माई वे। तो मैं चाहूँगी, मैं काउंसलिंग भी करती हूँ सिंगल वुमेंस की, जिसको भी ज़रूरत हो, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, कोई कॉस्टिंग नहीं है, मैं उसकी हेल्प करना चाहूँगी और मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी। तो धन्यवाद दिल से सबको। जैसे कि हमारा टाइम हो रहा है, फिर मिलते हैं बाद में फिर से सखी पर।
We'll organize something for you. Thank you. Yeah, Baba. Thank you. Okay. Okay, Vishwas. Okay, I would like to call our next role model award, and that goes to Papia Biswas ji. Girls, please clap for Papia Biswas. Just after 5, it's yours. Yeah.
Vishwas Rao. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. We have this small gift.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Rachna Virmani ji, are you here? Yeah. And she is doing a lot for our society from different ways. She has joined a lot of clubs, a lot of social clubs. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and now Naina More. Our next role model, Women of Influence Award, goes to Naina More. Is she here? I think she is. Is she here? No, not yet. She's late. Okay, so now next. Okay. Payal Kapoor Khila ji, are you here? Payal Kapoor Khila. I'm sorry, Sakhis, because of few Sakhis, we had to start the function late and I had to, rush. So please excuse me that I can't give the mic to everyone because blame goes on Sakhis only who are late. Thank you so much, Payal ji. Thank you. Because even I need a group picture. Other Sakhis who are here since 3 o'clock, they might leave and I can't blame them. Thank you. This is small. Thank you. Yeah, it's awesome. So all the awardees, we have our videographer, we have even media. So for your brief introduction, we have even Women Times. A lot of people are covering our event. So there, in detail, in brief, you can, tell about yourself and about your business or your work. Yeah. So now we have Rajrupa Datta Banerjee. Ji, and after that, Sheetal Bhavishi ji, you please be ready.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, Sheetal Bhavishi, please come. She is an environmentalist, and she has a very wonderful initiative to, save our environment, and a lot of things she does for sustainability. Recently, she organized an exhibition that was for sustainable products only. So, founder of Bijam we have.
Thank you. Just a moment. Thank you.
She is interviewing each and every celebrity. And how many celebrities interviews you have taken?
More than 150.
More than 150 celebrities interviews she has taken from Bollywood and from other fields as well.
Yeah, I'm a motivational speaker and a social activist.
So a big round of applause for Naina More. And I'm so jealous. You keep on, meeting with, a lot of celebrities every day.
Thank you. Yourself are such a celebrity. And finally,
Please say it on the mic.
She said that she's jealous because she meets many celebrities, but every woman is a celebrity in herself. So Anamika, you are yourself is also a celebrity.
Thank you, man. Okay. That's a small gift from our sponsors.
Thank you, Anamika. Finally, we meet.
Finally we met. Okay. We made this. And this beautiful sash is made by one of our Sakhi men, which later on you can use as belt. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so now we'll move to other category, and that's influencers. And that's very close to everyone's heart, to my heart, because a lot of friends of mine are influencers. And they are even really helpful for us for any cause, because they can spread anything like fire. Don't you think? Influencers are the one who can spread a positive message in the society. So thank you so much to all the influencer friends of mine who helped Sakhi Sangh to get, promoted everywhere. So I'll start with the influencers category, and our first influencer, Women of Influence Award goes to Gunjan Gupta. A big round of applause for this beautiful, stylish lady. She has already made us proud, because even she has represented us, our city, in Mrs. India. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the next one is Tina Gaur. Even she is a pageant winner, an influencer, a pageant coach.
Thank you.
It's really suiting on your dress. Goes well. Take your what you don't want.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And this beautiful gifts, and even a gift hamper is by Lush Fragrance by Lara Grant.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Chalo, see you soon. See you.
We have a calendar launch.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
have to wait. And the darling and the queen of the events, can you guess this name? She is present everywhere in each and every event, and her accessories are making us beautiful in all the events. So any guesses, guys? Uzma Firoz. She is the founder and owner of Style Addict, and influencer, even representing SHM watches now today in the event. Yeah. This is really, it suits. Thank you. The dress. Award. Take the award.
Yes.
Hope you all like the award.
Yes, yes, love it.
Thank you. And this is
फोन स्क्रीन अच्छे से एक बार प्लीज सामने से ले लीजिए हाँ थोड़ा सा उसको कवर करें
ब्यूटिफुल एंड कहीं से भी लगती नहीं है दैट उनके 3 बच्चे हैं एंड आई एम सो जेलस ऑफ हर. वीनू कौर. Okay, please come. No, she has really maintained her very well. She's a good friend.
You can just give it to me, but I'll just take it on her behalf. I'll give it to you.
This one? Yeah, and now we have in the influencers category Bhavya M. Gandhi. She is a beautiful lady who is a mom influencer and जिन्होंने हर राय को बदल दिया है क्योंकि बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि मॉम कांट बी इन्फ्लुएंसर एंड शी कांट हैव टाइम हर मी टाइम टू डू समथिंग फॉर हर सेल्फ. सो यू रियली मोटिवेट्स मी भाव्या एंड फाइनली वी आर मीटिंग एंड इट्स ग्रेट दैट यू आर मीटिंग इन माई इवेंट. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sorry for kept you waiting.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Keep doing the wonderful work.
Thank you.
And these beautiful gift and hampers
so
by
much.
Lush.
Now I'll take your leave.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming. Okay, now we have, she is a darling, a teacher. And it's a very rare combination. कहाँ टीचर जो ज़्यादातर बोरिंग होते हैं ऐसा लोग सोचते हैं बट शी इज़ अ मॉडल एज वेल. हीना आफ्ताब. थैंक यू सो मच. ज़्यादातर इवेंट में लोग नाराज़ हो जाते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन से. आई एम ग्लैड दैट यू लव्ड इट. And I'm glad that it really, goes with my attire. Yeah, with a lot of people it's going there. Congratulations. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so these are for you. Thank you so much. आप थोड़ा सा पास आ जाया करो ना. Okay. And this. The awardee, the name which I am going to call, बहुत ही कम समय में इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा नाम अपना बना लिया है इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के दुनिया में और वो कैलकाटा का नाम रोशन कर रही है. यहाँ से लेके मुंबई तक स्टार्स के साथ उनके चर्चे हैं. एंड शी इज़ नंदिता दागा. इवन शी इज़ अ मदर दो शी डजंट लुक लाइक क्योंकि कहीं मैंने सुना था कि इनका बाल विवाह हुआ है और ये बाल विवाह के फ़ायदे हैं. थैंक यू. सो हाउ क्लोजली आई फॉलो यू. And Sakhi, since this is Sakhi Sangh and we all are here to promote each other, so all the influencers, all the influential people, all the ladies, I would like to request कि जिसके भी आपको अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं या किसी भी सखी जो भी सखी का बिजनेस या कुछ भी जो इस इवेंट से रिलेटेड है, आप जब भी कुछ पोस्ट करेंगे वीडियो पोस्ट, प्लीज़ डू टैग देम ताकि हम उनको कुछ हेल्प कर पाएँ. Right? So all the gifts or whatever you are getting, but that would be a help and a kind of good gesture for our Sakhis.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nandita. And now I would like to call a dear friend of mine. Sakhi Sangh जब कैलकाटा में स्टार्ट हुआ था So even she was a part of Sakhi Sangh, and later on she had a lot of work, and we had to, stop the Sakhi Sangh work because of COVID, and now we are again back in action. Bilkis Parveen. Can we have a big round of applause for our Sakhi, Bilkis Parveen? She is the director of PNC, doing great work, even giving platform to other Sakhis.
Thank you. Thank you. This looks good with this. Thank you, Sandeep.
Thank you. Just even. Have to wait for the calendar. Just 5-10 minutes. नहीं, अभी नहीं. Just after this. Okay, and now I would like to call Tripti Gupta. She is a heroic housewife who is turning to a great influencer now. Please come. Do you stand here? Because ma'am will hand over the coffee. Thank you. Thank you. Here, Tripti, here's a gift. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. She's not here. Okay. So ladies, now we are done with the influencers category, and this is again a very important category which we are famous for. So this is heroic housewives and entrepreneurs. So I would like to call Payal Goenka. A big round of applause for Payal Goenka, owner of Shrey Shri. And she has a wonderful collection which you will even see in our calendar launch. So this is also one of our heroic housewife turned into, entrepreneurship. Here's a gift, Payal ji. Excuse me. Please. Thank you. Thank you so much, Anamika. Okay, so now I would like to take a small break with the awardees, and I would like to thank our partners. So I would like to, like ma'am, to felicitate our partners, because of their support, this event wouldn't have, be happening here. So I would start. See, I'm just going with the flow. There's Rizwan Ansari ji. He's from Rizwan Ansari's Welfare Society, and he is doing a lot of social work. So thank you so much for your support, sir. Can we have a big round of applause, because this event is happening because of our partners only. Thank you so much. And now again, because this is for Women of Influence. This evening is dedicated to Women of Influence Awards, and I would like to call Khushbu Agarwal. She is the owner of Aryan Designers. Again, beautiful collection she has. And her collection you can even see in our calendar, which is going to, get launched soon, just after the awards. So thank you so much for lending your studio for the shoot and for the amazing dresses. Thank you
so much.
Thank you, thank you. Now, slowly I'll be calling my partners to even on stage. First, I'll call Lara Datta from Lush Fragrance to be here. Lara Grand. See, Lara Datta छाई हुई है मेरे दिमाग में. Lara Grand. Yeah, yeah. So please be here to hand over the gifts to the awardees. And be here for the rest of yeah. And the next awardee, you be here to present the gift. And this is your gift by Mia by Ganesh. Thank you. Okay, so now I would like to call the next awardee, and that's yes. Ma'am, everyone wants to be there with you. Tasneem Fakhri. Again, please come for your award now this time. And she is the lady who's owner of, she is the lady who's the owner of travel company, so which is again very strange that it's a male, dominating field, and she's really doing well in travel agency.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just a second. We have जब तीनों चीज हो जाए तब पिक्चर लीजिएगा आप, है ना, ताकि आपको बार-बार वेट ना करना पड़े.
Thank you, lovely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you for such a lovely initiative.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. आप उधर से ऐसे आ जाएगा, इधर आओ. Okay, and now I would like to call Roshni Golcha. She is also one of our ethnic queen, as she participated in Ethnic Queen India Season 3, which we organized in September. And she was amazing. She rocked the stage, though she was she participated first time and she was quite nervous. I still remember that day. But now, today, look at her. What confidence you have gained from Ethnic Queen India.
All thanks to you.
She is running, she is a teacher, and she is also running a cloud kitchen by the name of
Kitchen Bites.
Kitchen Bites. Thank you. Ma'am. Thank you. Okay, and now I would like to call Swagata Chaudhary. She is the winner of PNC Face of Bengal this season, making Bilkis and PNC proud. So big round of applause. At least PNC वाले तो बता दो तालियां. They're so beautiful. Thank you. Okay. Ma'am. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And I'll move on to our other awardee, and she is Tanuja Chaudhary. A big round of applause for Tanuja ji. She's here. And yeah, just quick 30 seconds. I'll give it to you.
Thank you so much for this award. I just would like to take a quick few minutes. I want to tell you survey data, which is quite shocking. Like in 2023, March 31st, top 100 companies of India had only 19% of women as directors compared to men. And that was a 5% raise from 2018. So we have so less women directors in the top companies. It is also because we don't believe in ourselves. So it is absolutely mandatory that we know where we stand. We are confident about our abilities, and we must also make sure to celebrate the success of other women. So thank you so much, Sakhi Sangh, for doing this for all of us.
And now the next awardee. Dr. Shreyashi Bhaumik. It's dietitian Shreyashi Bhaumik. She is doing wonders in nutrition field. Right? This is dietitian Shreyashi Bhaumik. Thank you so much. You're looking lovely. Congratulations. This is for you. And now can we have Tarannum Ara? She is a psychologist. So ladies, we have women from each and every field. We have tried to, cover all the fields. And there's not even a single field जो शायद बचा हो हमसे. Thank you. Thank you, Darun. And now I would like to call Payal Das. She is the runner-up of PNC West Bengal. A model and influencer. Uzma, don't go. There is a calendar launch of yours only. You have to be here, otherwise we'll not launch it. Just be here. We are done with the awardees. Yes. So now, last but not the least, in awardees section, and she is a true meaning of heroic housewife, and she is also, has started a, small venture of hers, Namrata Haldar. And she's so, calmly she's sitting. She was the first person who came inside this banquet, but still she's looking so fresh. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we are done with all the awardees, and I hope you like the awards. And the next which we are going to do is the calendar launch of Sakhi Sangh, Women of Influence, again featuring few influential ladies of town. So I would like to call Indranil Mukherjee and our partners, Vishalji, Miabai Tanishq, Payal Goenka, Shri, Aryan designers say Khushbu Agarwal, and Divya Goenka by SSS, because they are the ladies behind the beautiful collection which we are going to launch in the calendar. Yes, Divya Goenka ji. Yeah, no, that's for the calendar launch, not the partner. I'll call her. Yeah. Yeah. So, ladies, this one, Anandita was late, so we missed one award. Anandita Roy Sanya. The award. Yeah. But before that, I would like to call, because Anandita was a bit late. So I would like to call one of the awardee because she wasn't present when we started her category. So a big round of applause for Anandita Roy Sanyal. She is doing amazing work in the field of influencers and a dear Sakhi of ours, because whenever we need any help, she is always there to promote and to help or to support Sakhi Sangh. So I would like to call, request Shanti ma'am to please felicitate Anandita Roy Sanyal. I just request you please be here for the picture. Just 1 second. Yeah, gift. This is for you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I would like to call all the ladies who are going to, get featured in, who are there, who are my calendar girls actually. So, Richa ma'am, we are going to launch the calendar. And then we have, Papia Biswasji, we have Gunjan Gupta, we have Tina Gaur, we have Tripti Gupta, Bilkis Parveen. We have Satrupa Chaudhary, one of our ethnic queen. Please give a big round of applause. And our very own, who's, whenever throughout this event, the day I started, I'm getting call. If you need any help, Anamika, don't get demoralized. I'm here and she is here till now. Dr. Munami Samaddar. We have Uzma Firoz and Hina Afsab. So, all the calendar girls, please be there.
Okay.
So, one by one, when we'll... And the girl who's behind our digital team, Vidushri, and she's the owner of 360 Degree, and she's our digital partner as well. भैया कैलेंडर तो लॉन्च होने दीजिए, कैलेंडर तो लॉन्च होने दीजिए. Please be there. You are calendar girls. She told me to come stand this side. Calendar girls are there. I'll call you one by one. Partners, be here. Partners there, calendar girls. Yeah, partners this side, calendar girls that side. Okay, are we done? Papia ji, please go that side. You're in the calendar. So I would like to request Shanti ma'am and Indranil ji to please launch the calendar. And of course, because you are the one in the calendar and we are going to start with this. So are we all ready to capture the moment? Yes. There's a lot of hard work behind this. Please wait out.
We always take each other's wow.
थोड़ा जोर से वाह बोल दो ना.
Wow.
Wow. It should go viral like that.
I think all of the girls can hold it.
So now I would like to, So we have एंड नो कंप्लेंट्स गर्ल्स, मेरा ये अच्छा नहीं है, मैंने ये वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा था. बहुत मेहनत की है मैंने यार. I hope you all like, because out of 500 photos, we've got select this one, then through the photographer, through the printer. And Mehak, please join us, because she is the lady who takes care of our printing and everything. Veenu is not there, so who is going to take care? I'll hold something for Veenu. Sneha is one of our ethnic queen. So you take, this is your collection.
Yeah.
I'll just get, you take this, I'll take my ethnic queens one. And is there any? She's not here, so हम अभी इसको नहीं रखते हैं. You can hand it over to them directly. And if there is something for me, you can hand it over to me as well. Girls, hope you like your pictures, because I really loved. Yeah.
I think some of you all can sit.
Yeah, please. You can take the gift first and then we'll have a final picture. And then later on with all the awardees also I need. Come.
Come.
जिसकी शक्ल नहीं आई यहाँ से निकाल के.
She did come.
Sneha.
Yeah.
Thank you. Actually, that's your
Yeah, thank you. I'm still left with the partners felicitation. Please.
हील्स पे मत बैठाओ ज़्यादा.
बॉडी का इसको रख दो प्लीज, ड्राई हो जाएगा वो आई नहीं. So ma'am, they are representing Evo Connect. Laksh Jaiswal and Lavanya Jaiswal, they are not here.
They are the owner.
They are the owner. She's the president.
Secretary.
Yeah. And she's the lady who's, handling real estate work. So I'm quite impressed.
She knows me.
Oh,
We know, we happen to know each other.
this is the what for Evo Connect. So Evo Connect is our networking partner, and since beginning they are here. And I'm really missing Lavanya and Lakshji. Yeah. So I hope you didn't have any problem and
That is why till now.
yeah, thank you so much.
I met a lot of friends here.
So Sakhi Sangh is all about Sakhis. You'll meet Sakhis. Ma'am, just last Wasim. And now I would like to call Wasim Akhtar. Ladies, be here. We'll have a group picture for Super News with Sakhi Sangh.
आ जाओ पूनम मैम को साथ में
Yeah,
आ
please.
जाओ आ जाओ चल आ जाओ तुम भी आ जाओ
Please wait. She left. Okay. Uzma also left. Okay. Yeah. Can I have Mehak Joshi ji for Mehak Creations, the lady behind all the, beautiful these beaded shesh which all the awardees have got. Ma'am, this. Everyone wants to, get a award from you. The lady behind the beautiful hamper.
Like the pic.
नाम पढ़ दो.
वीडियो हो रहा है ना, अरे वो इवेंट का वीडियो है, बाइक तो आप पीछे लेते रहते हैं. ठीक है.
So Lara Grand, I would like you to please hand over this to. Thank you so much. And Vidushi, this is. And don't forget to tag your partner.
थोड़ा समय दे दीजिए.
यार मेरे दो क्या हो गया? मैं देखिए कुछ रहा. ये सब नहीं है. ओके. क्या है? कुछ बचा तो नहीं है. या विशाल जी का रह गया ना. और एनीबडी एल्स? माँ की रसोई. सिल्वर स्टेज. मीरा सरोगी. Yes, these three. Do we have Rajiv ji from Silver Stage? I can't see him. And Meetu from Tata AIA. Meetu, please be here. Would like. Is there anybody from Silver Stage? He isn't here. Okay. I would like to call Gunjan Gupta to please do the honor on behalf of Sakhi Sangh to please provide these trophy to Vishal ji, Miyabai Tanishq, Kankur Gachi. This is a small token of love from Sakhi Sangh, and our beautiful Sakhi Gunjan Gupta will.
Thank you so very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. And now, Vishal ji again for Maa Ki Rasoi. Meera, please give a big round of applause. They really serve wonderful food. She's mother of Vishal ji.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is for my mom, Meera Saraogi.
Yeah. So big round of applause.
This is for my mom, Meera Saraogi from Maa Ki Rasoi.
Yeah, a big round of applause for Maa Ki Rasoi.
Actually feeling proud. मम्मी को तो कभी मेरे को तो कभी मिला.
आपको उनको लेकर आना चाहिए था. Please, next time, please bring her along. She will feel comfortable. Okay. And our photography partner is not here, Rajiv ji from Silver Stage. So I'll send the trophy. And now I would like to call my beautiful friend who is, supporting me and who is even representing Tata AIA. And together we both curated this event. So a big round of applause for our Sakhi, Meetu. Please come. Thank you so much, Meetu. And there's a small gift for you. I would like, where is Gunjan? Please come. Your job is not done yet. So please hand this over to Meetu, my lovely Sakhi. And Lara Grand, you can hand over the beautiful gift from Lush Fragrance.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. ये भेजना है बेटा, बचा नहीं है. इसको रखो. ये जो अवार्डी नहीं आए हैं उनका है. ओके. सबका हो गया है ना? पार्टनर्स का कौन? ये या ओके. थैंक यू बेटा, मैं बात करती हूँ. 10-15 मिनट में हो जाएगा ना? हाँ. गुंजन.
it possible? There are two names. There is one
उमर अंसारी गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर वाला पे दिया ना
अवसिम अख्तर या वो मेरा वो पैकेट दीजिए। नहीं ये तो मेरा पैकेट आपका बैग वहाँ पर है यहाँ पे नीचे नीचे नीचे। अरे मैम का बैग दो बैग पर्स इट्स देयर चेक द लिस्ट इट्स देयर।
इसमें नाम आया
No.
Hello. And now, last but not the least, we have our very own fashion designer from SSS by Divya Goenka. And though we collaborated very late, but somehow it happened, and you can even see her collection in the calendar. The beautiful sari which was worn by Papia ji, and she even handled it very well. That was so graceful. So please here, Divya ji and Gunjan, I would like to request you to please felicitate Divya Goenka ji. Please come in between. So thank you so much each and everyone who's been a part of Women of Influence Awards, be it awardees, be it partners, be it Tata AIA, Style Addict, Evo Connect, and Rashid Ahmed Ansari ji, Eat Greens, Lakme, Super News, Aryan Designer, own boy, Vineet Singh. A big round of applause for them. So thank you so much, and I'll just wrap the event. Thank you so much everyone for being a part of Sakhi Sang's event.
नमस्कार, हमारे साथ और एक मोहतरमा है, इनसे भी जानते हैं कैसा लग रहा है इनको अवार्ड पाके। नमस्कार मैम, আপনি তো বেঙ্গলিতে বলতে চাইছেন, তাহলে কেমন লাগছে?
নমস্কার, আমার নাম পায়েল দাস। আমার এখানে এসে খুবই ভালো লাগছে, খুবই প্রাউড ফিল লাগছে, খুব ভালো লাগছে এখানে এসে।
তো আপনাকে কোন ক্যাটাগরিতে অ্যাওয়ার্ড?
আমিও হচ্ছে ফেস অফ ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল সিজন 4-এ, মানে আমি সেকেন্ড রানার আপ।
ওকে, তো কি বলবেন জনগণকে, কি
আমি
সন্দেশ
একটাই
দেবেন?
কথা বলতে চাই যে আমাদের মেয়েদের প্রত্যেকেরই উচিত যে ঘরের বাইরেও যে আমাদের একটা জগৎ আছে, জীবন আছে, সেটা আমাদের অবশ্যই আমাদের চেষ্টা করা উচিত। সবাই হয়তো আমরা অ্যাচিভ করতে পারি না, বাট আমাদের কিন্তু চেষ্টা করা উচিত। যে মেয়েদের যেমন মনে করা হয় যে বিয়ের পর শুধু আমাদের সংসার জীবনের মধ্যেই সীমাবদ্ধ করা হয়, কিন্তু আমার মনে হয় যে না, ওটার বাইরেও আমাদের একটা জীবন আছে, সেটা আমাদের অবশ্যই আমরা অ্যাচিভ করতে পারবো কি জানি না, কিন্তু অ্যাটলিস্ট আমাদের একটা ট্রাই করা উচিত। এটাই আমি প্রত্যেকটা মেয়েকে বলতে চাই যে সংসারের বাইরেও আমাদের একটা জীবন আছে, সেটাকে আমরা যতটা পারি নিজেদের পরিশ্রম দিয়ে, নিজেদের একাগ্রতা দিয়ে সেটা যেন আমরা চেষ্টা করি। এবং আমার মনে হয় যদি আমাদের ইন্টেনশনটা ঠিক থাকে না, তো অবশ্যই আমরা আমাদের গোলে আমরা পৌঁছে যাব। এটাই আমি প্রত্যেক মহিলাকে বার্তা দিতে চাই।
ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর কামিং উইথ আস এন্ড টকিং উইথ আস।
थैंक यू
मैम। नमस्कार, आप सभी का हमारा मीडिया में स्वागत है। इस वक्त हम पहुंच चुके हैं वुमेन ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस अवार्ड में। आप देख सकते हैं हमारे साथ एक लेडी खड़ी हैं, इन्हें भी एक अवार्ड से नवाजा गया है। आइए जानते हैं, पहले इनका नाम जानते हैं और इन्हें किस कैटेगरी में अवार्ड मिला है। नमस्कार मैम।
सो माय नेम इज़ स्वागता चौधरी और मुझे जो कैटेगरी में अवार्ड मिल रहा है वो है विनर ऑफ फेस ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल।
ओके, तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये अवार्ड लेके?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। इट फील्स रियली स्पेशल एंड मुझे लगता है कि ये जो इनिशिएटिव सखी संघ लिए हैं बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है। तो हम लोग का सोसाइटी में जितना वुमेन है उनको एक अलग से पहचान मिल रहे हैं, तो इट्स ग्रेट।
इसके पहले भी आपको किसी कैटेगरी में अवार्ड्स मिला है क्या?
हाँ, मतलब मैं एक पैजेंट का विनर हूँ, ब्यूटी पैजेंट विच कॉल्ड फेस ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल। तो उसमें मैं विनर रही हूँ।
तो आम जनता को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जनता को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर आपके मन में कुछ भी आशा है, कुछ भी विश है, एम्बिशन है, तो उसको ऐसे दबा के मत रखिए। आप अपना विश को हर टाइम कोशिश कीजिए कि वो फुलफिल हो। दैट्स इट।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
कट कॉल।
माय नेम इज़ कविता भावनानी। आई एम सोशल एक्टिविस्ट। मैं एक सिंगल वुमेन्स पे काम करने वाली महिला हूँ और ख़ुद भी सिंगल वुमेन हूँ। तो ये मैसेज देने आज यहाँ पर आई हूँ सखी संघ में, और चाहती हूँ कि इस इवेंट को और बड़ा बनाया जाए। तो इसके लिए हम सब मिलकर काम करेंगे तो ही हो पाएगा। धन्यवाद।
तो आपको कौन से कैटेगरी में अवार्ड मिला है?
मुझे मिला है सोशल एक्टिविटीज़ में। जैसे मैं सिंगल वुमेन्स पे काम करती हूँ, उस पे उन्होंने मुझे एक अवार्ड माने एक ऑनर दिया है कि आप आकर दूसरी औरतों को भी प्रोत्साहन करें। थैंक यू।
I'm रचना वर्मानी।
हमेशा लेंस पे देखिएगा मैम।
कैमरे में देखना है?
हाँ, कैमरा में देखना है।
I'm Rachna Vermani. I'm the president of Inner Wheel Club of Calcutta Metro Medar. So our club is a charitable institute. So we work for different social causes, like we provide sewing machines, and we have adopted a village where we run a school and we do different activities there. And this way we do all over Calcutta. Many schools we distribute woolens and all that. So that is our main activity. And I'm also associated with Punjabi Bradri and Punjab Club. So over there we organize events. I help them in organizing.
I won the Sawan Queen in Punjabi Bradri.
Yeah, I had organized the Sawan Queen contest,
and I won the reel also.
And she has won the contest also.
And Calcutta mein I met Salman Khan and I danced with him. I was the only one who got on stage. He took me in his arms.
दिल दीवाना
ये सलमान खान
की सेव करके रखे हुए। और कुछ बस।
यहाँ पे आके आपको कैसा लग रहा है इस अवार्ड फंक्शन में आके?
हाँ, अच्छा लग रहा है। इट्स अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट। और अनामिका जी को काफ़ी दिनों से जानते हैं, उनसे एसोसिएटेड है, और शी इज़ डूइंग अ गुड वर्क। शी इज़ ऑनरिंग द वुमेन। और आजकल वुमेन पावर इज़ द
एम्पावरिंग बहुत बड़ा है। आजकल वुमेन लोग नीचे ही करते हैं, बट एम्पावरिंग वुमेन इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी वेरी गुड कॉज। वो सब लेडीज़ को एक जगह ला के एम्पावर करी, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड
job. I'm an awardee over here as an entrepreneur chef, and I am teaching in schools like Ashok Hall, GD Birla as a professional culinarian. And I really thank and I'm grateful to अनामिका जी, जिन्होंने ये इतना अच्छा सा स्टेप उठाया है वुमेन को एम्पावर करने का, एंड टू द सखी संघ ग्रुप। रियली ग्रेटफुल, आई एम ट्रूली ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर। थैंक यू। रोशनी गुलानी।
सिल्वा गुप्ता।
रचना वर्मानी।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
मैम आपका नाम?
हाँ, मेरा नाम है लेफ्टिनेंट डॉक्टर बीवा समादर, और मैं यूथ विंग एनसीसी में लेफ्टिनेंट हूँ, एसोसिएट एनसीसी ऑफिसर, और मैं सुरेंद्रनाथ कॉलेज में सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ाती हूँ।
जी, और आज आपको ये वुमेन इन्फ्लुएंस अवार्ड में आके कैसा लग रहा है?
पहले तो मैं थैंक यू करना चाहूँगी अनामिका जी को और सखी संघ को, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा एक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है उन्होंने, जहाँ पे सिर्फ वो वुमेन नहीं है जो सोसाइटी के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही है, बट वो अनसंग हीरोइंस भी है जो हाउस होल्ड में, जो कि होम फ्रंट में मैनेज कर रही है एवरीथिंग। तो दिस इज़ द आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम इन वेस्ट बंगाल दैट ऐसा हो रहा है कि मतलब हाउसवाइफ को भी फेलिसिटेट किया जा रहा है। और उसके साथ साथ देखिए, किसी को अगर अवार्ड मिलता है तो सिर्फ ये उसके लिए एक रिकॉग्निशन की बात होती है, ये नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके पीछे जितना एफर्ट होता है। व्हेन यू आर अवार्डिंग अ लेडी, it actually awarding the whole society's woman as a symbol of recognition, as a symbol of strength, resilience और recognition of her in every stage of life. So उसके सारे roles को support करना, उसके सारे इनिशिएटिव को सपोर्ट करना ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ एक ऐसे इनिशिएटिव में शामिल होके, और मैं खुद भी विश्वास करती हूँ कि वी शुड एम्पावर ईच अदर इन सोसाइटी। वी शुड क्रिएट एन एनवायरनमेंट कोलैबोरेटिव सपोर्टिव, जहाँ पे एक वुमन दूसरे वुमन को अपलिफ्ट करे, एम्पावर करे, और ऐसे ही हमारे सोसाइटी का डेवलपमेंट हो। थैंक यू।
नमस्कार, हमारे साथ है वुमेन्स ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस अवार्ड की कर्ता धर्ता फाउंडर अनामिका जी। आइए उनसे जानते हैं क्या कहना है उनका इस अवार्ड को लेके। नमस्कार मैम।
जी थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू इज़ अ वर्ड जो मैं कहना चाहती हूँ सबको जो भी इस इवेंट का हिस्सा है, इंक्लूडिंग आप। और ये सब पॉसिबल हो पाया है सबके साथ से। और विमेन ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस जैसे कि नाम सजेस्ट करता है, ये विमेन जो अपने अपने फील्ड्स में इन्फ्लुएंस करती हैं अपने काम के ज़रिए, उनके लिए ये फेलिसिटेशन अवार्ड सेरेमनी रखा गया था। और ये हर साल हम करते हैं। इस साल हमने नाम चेंज किया बिकॉज़ आजकल इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का ज़माना है। तो पिछले साल तक ये था विमेन ऑफ एक्सीलेंस, इस साल हमने इसको विमेन ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस कर दिया है। और सखी संघ एक ऐसा पहला प्लेटफॉर्म है, आई थिंक जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है, जो हीरोइक हाउसवाइफ्स को भी फेलिसिटेट करता है। तो आज हमने यहाँ पे सेलिब्रिटीज़, रोल मॉडल्स, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स और हाउसवाइफ्स को भी फेलिसिटेट किया, ताकि वो जो अच्छा काम अपने फील्ड में कर रहे हैं वो आगे निरंतर करते रहें।
तो कितने कैटेगरीज थे और कितने अवार्ड्स आपने दिए?
3 कैटेगरीज थे मेनली। पहले तो मैं बताना चाहूँगी और थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी कैलकाटा को, कैलकाटा की सभी लेडीज़ को, क्योंकि जब हमने इसे स्टार्ट किया था सोचा था कि सिर्फ 10 अवार्ड्स ही रखेंगे, बट जो नॉमिनेशंस और जो रिस्पॉन्स हमें मिला वो इतना गज़ब का था कि मेरे को 250 से 300 नॉमिनेशंस मिले, जहाँ हमें 10 को सेलेक्ट करना था। फिर हमने उसको बढ़ा के 30 किया और 3 अलग अलग कैटेगरीज कर दी। पहला कैटेगरी रोल मॉडल्स, जिसमें हमने 10 लोगों को फेलिसिटेट किया। फिर नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड थर्ड वन इज़ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एंड हाउसवाइफ्स।
ओके, तो इसमें कैसे आपने सॉर्टिंग किया? ये जो अवार्ड जो दिया
जी,
तो इसका सॉर्टिंग कैसे किया? किस हिसाब से
सॉर्टिंग जी पहले तो इस हिसाब से किया, मेरे कुछ एडवाइज़र्स हैं, मेरे पेट्रन्स हैं, टीम है, तो हम सब ने मिलजुल कर देखा कि किस तरीके का वो काम कर रहे हैं, इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं। और बहुत से ऐसे अवार्डीज़ थे जिनको कभी अवार्ड नहीं मिला, तो हमने उनको भी थोड़ा सा उनके लिए पार्शल हुए, ताकि उनको हम आगे बढ़ाएं, उनको लाइमलाइट में लेकर आएँ। तो यही हमारा वो था। और कुछ फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस पे भी था। सो इस तरीके से हमने सॉर्ट आउट किए अपने 30 अवार्डीज़।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आम लोगों को?
मैं अगेन शुरुआत की थी थैंक यू से, फिर से मैं थैंक यू से ही ख़त्म करना चाहूँगी। थैंक यू टू ईच एंड एवरी नॉमिनी, क्योंकि नॉमिनेशन नहीं होते तो अवार्ड ही नहीं होते। उनका जो इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला, हम फिर से लेकर आएंगे, कुछ ना कुछ सखी संघ करता रहता है। और हर एक बंदा जो सखी संघ के इस इवेंट से को जिसने सपोर्ट किया, टाटा एआई है, विमेन एम्पावरमेंट का सेशन फ्री में उन लोगों ने दिया ताकि विमेन फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हो पाएँ। देन वी हैव मियाँ बाय तनिष्क, कांकुरगाछी, वी हैव ईवो कनेक्ट, वी हैव ईट ग्रीन बाय रूबी, वी हैव श्रेयश्री, वी हैव आर्यन डिज़ाइनर्स, लैक्मे अकेडमी राजबिहारी नागेर बाजार, वी हैव लश Fragrance by Lara Grant, we have SSS by Divya Goenka, RN Designers Khushbu Agarwal, we have Evo Connect and networking partner, we have Sneha Verma Bride, we have Rijwan Ansari ji, we have Super News 24 Wasim Akram ji, we have Mehak's Creation and we have Happy Mom, again she is Mehak। एंड अगर मैं किसी और पार्टनर का नाम भूल भी रही हूँ तो थैंक यू टू ईच एंड एवरी वन, जो भी माँ की रसोई एंड सभी पार्टनर्स, हमारे चीफ गेस्ट आज के शांति दास जी, हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर इंद्रनील मुखर्जी जी, और सभी सखियाँ जिनकी वजह से ये आज पॉसिबल हो पाया। थैंक यू सो मच।
आपका नाम और डेजिग्नेशन?
मेरा नाम अनामिका सिंह है और मैं सखी संघ की फाउंडर हूँ।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू सो मच।
ये थे हमारे साथ अनामिका सिंह जी, जो हमसे रूबरू हो रही थी और अपने वुमेन्स इन्फ्लुएंस अवार्ड के बारे में हमें जानकारी दी थी। मैं कैमरामैन कमलेश के साथ गोकुल मुरारका, हमारा मीडिया से। नमस्कार।